पेट भर गया लेकिन नियत नहीं भरी है। गुजराती थाली स्पेशली इतना मजा आता है। ओके, अब दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट। व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल वॉकवे, सो नाइस, पूरी हरियाली चारों तरफ। ऐसा थोड़ा सा एपेटाइट भी बिल्डअप हो जाएगा खाने के लिए।
ये क्या कर रहा है?
हमारे लिए नहीं है ये, हटाओ।
तो किसके लिए?
ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए है। तुम बोला ना तुम्हारा पेट भर गया।
हेलो भजी खावा लो।
भजन नहीं खाना
नीचे
है।
चमची पड़ गई इसके को।
इन लोग ने बोला वहाँ खाएंगे, गोवर्धन थाली में खाएंगे। अब देखिए हाथ मार रहे हैं यहाँ मेरी थाली में। बंदे ने मेरा इतना खाना खाया, उसका जैकेट लिया मैंने, किया है फोल्ड। चलिए, गुड नाइट। भगवान। खा पी लिया, सो लिया, अब थोड़ी शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं। कम टू दिस लवली एरिया। इस एरिया का नाम क्या है?
सिंधु भवन रोड।
सिंधु भवन रोड। बहुत अच्छे अच्छे शॉप्स है, saw some nice interesting restaurants also, Cage, Charcoal, a lot of other places which I now remember many of you had recommended. So it's a completely different world out here. Obviously, more elite. That's a shop which has been recommended a lot by many people. It's famous for Patola sarees. So how can you come to Ahmedabad and not look at Patola? I don't know if I'll end up buying them, but at least worth having a look. Hi. So tell me a little bit about Patola sarees. अच्छा, डबल इकट। हाँ ये हाँ, तो इकट का क्या मतलब होता है? हाँ, ये जो डिजाइन है इसको इकट बोलते हैं, और ये डबल
सिंगल इकट।
हाँ,
सिंगल थ्रेड से वीव होता है।
सिंगल थ्रेड से वीव होता है, और जब डबल थ्रेड से वीव होता है तो बिसाइड्स लुकिंग वेरी प्रिटी वो 10 गुना ज्यादा महंगा भी हो जाता है।
ये डबल इकट है।
तो डबल इकट, तो ये डबल वीव है।
वीव होता है।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
फिर ये थिक कितना होता है? ब्यूटीफुल
और
साड़ी।
ये सर्टिफाइड है, ये सर्टिफिकेट के साथ आएगा।
अच्छा, इसके सर्टिफिकेट के साथ
और
आता है।
होम वॉश भी घर में वॉश कर सकते हैं आप।
घर पे आप धो भी सकते हैं, और इसका कोई कलर वगैरह नहीं निकलता है।
100 ईयर तक कुछ नहीं होगा।
100 साल तक कुछ नहीं होगा। 100 साल तक तो हम जिंदा भी नहीं रहेंगे, तो ये पास ऑन करने के लिए अच्छी है। अब मैं शॉपिंग करती हूँ, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि मैंने कुछ खरीदा कि नहीं, लेकिन मैं देखूंगी। ये जो डीओपी है बोलता है मेरे में इतना पेशेंस नहीं है कि आप शॉपिंग करेंगे और मैं हैंग आउट करूँ। तो मैं तो साड़ियाँ बहुत पहनती हूँ, लेकिन पटोला के बारे इतना मुझे आइडिया नहीं था। यहाँ आई तो सबने कहा देखना चाहिए। ट्रेडिशनल है, हाँ, पाटन की साड़ियाँ हैं।
ठीक है, ये पीछे है कि आपको दोनों में फर्क देखिए। केमिकल डाइज और नेचुरल डाइज का फर्क है। ये केमिकल डाइज और वो नेचर, इसके सेम सिल्क है लेकिन फैब्रिक का फर्क उसमें दिखेगा आपको। थोड़ा सॉफ्टनेस ज्यादा रहेगा वो सब है, और कलर थोड़ा डल रहता है। और इसमें एक्सक्लूसिव साड़ीज भी काफी है। ये सब जैसे 126 का है तो ये 2,10,000 to 2,90,000 तक होता है। डिफरेंट टाइप के डिजाइन एक्सक्लूसिव है। और इसका
एक्सक्लूसिव मतलब एक ही बनते हैं?
नहीं, मतलब कि 99 पीसेस बनेंगे, लेकिन वो डिफरेंट डिजाइन और काफी इंट्रिकेट काम वर्कमैनशिप इसमें ज्यादा है।
बहुत ही प्यारी साड़ी है। देखो मेरी शादी हो रही होती तो फिर मैं 3 लाख की साड़ी खरीद लेती। ये बहुत ही प्यारी साड़ी है। दुपट्टा इज वेरी प्रिटी। सलवार कमीज भी पहन सकते हैं ना।
हाँ, अब घर पे रहेंगे। ठीक है।
नहीं, ये ज्यादा सुंदर है। मुझे तो एक्चुअली पर्पल भी बहुत प्यारा लगा। Okay, finally at Agache. This place is particularly special to me because the family of Agache is related to one of my very dear mentors who is unfortunately no longer in this world. तो यहाँ तो मुझे आना ही था. I don't know if a lot of you have been to this place, लेकिन अगर आप अहमदाबाद आए और Agache नहीं आए तो I think you'll really miss out. This is in House of MG. It's a heritage hotel. बहुत ही सुंदर है. आइए आपको दिखाती हूँ. I
गए अंदर
finally here.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. No, this is the beautiful Shanil Parekh. She is the family host. She's sister of Abhay, who unfortunately is not here.
Yeah,
I know him
he's
so well.
traveling.
And the first time, in fact, I came here, Abhay was there and Vinay had sent me here.
Oh,
And that's why this place is actually so special for me. But
lovely.
I wish Abhay was here. But she is the director of.
So hopefully I'll be able to.
Of course, no, I mean I haven't seen him in a while, so that's why. But I'm
Right.
so happy to at least have you around.
Yeah.
So come,
welcome.
Shanil.
Yeah, come.
Yeah.
So this just show you around
Yeah,
the
yeah.
place. The lobby here. We have like a little bit of seating here. The reception. Everything in this hotel is all made. Most of it is from repurposed products. It's all artisanal. All of it is handmade.
Oh wow.
And all the textiles that you see are either handmade by artisans around Gujarat or made from repurposed textiles.
Really?
So we try and make sure everything that we use in this hotel is all non-mass produced.
Yeah.
That way we make sure like even people who serve here and all are from surrounding villages. It's not like a fancy liveried butler service that you get.
Right.
But it's like our tagline is it feels like coming home.
Yes.
So that's the whole idea that we try to give our guests when you come in.
just
These
got-
are actually, and all of the walls here, there is a family, like a family branch and pictures also
Yes,
that's
yes.
outside here on these
I think
walls.
you have Vinay's photo also here, no? If I'm not mistaken. Oh,
If
there, I found him.
Oh yeah, right
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
right,
right
there,
here.
right there, right there.
So that's Tina, very dear family friends Vinay. Is unfortunately no more. So he was my mentor. Yeah, I used to really look up to him. He's almost like my best friend. I would speak to him like 3 times a day. Yeah.
Oh, it's
so,
unfortunate.
Yeah,
I
very
heard about
unfortunate.
it.
Yeah.
So like all the brass and copper vessels that used to be used in old Gujarati homes,
Right.
they were such interesting designs that it's like an installation on the wall now.
So are they the original pieces or they are just the designs?
No, original.
They are original
Yeah,
pieces.
yeah, yeah.
Oh wow. Oh my god, that must be priceless. Oh. Thank you so much. And I noticed कि यहाँ silver है और वहाँ तांबा है. So is there a
Guests can pick.
guest can pick where
Yeah,
they want?
which thali they want.
Okay.
Different thalis have different options.
I don't need to see the menu because I'm sure everything will be great.
તો તમે થાળીનું લાવો ને થાળીનું બધું pick કરીએ.
चटनी मतलब इस पे रखना है
Okay.
खट्टा चीज इस पे लेना है
हाँ क्योंकि चांदी है. हाँ हाँ very good concept. क्योंकि चांदी है तो फिर वो अचार का जो acid है that will spoil the metal. So Shaneen, how old is this place? Can you just tell us a little bit about the family tree, how does this whole place come about? It's a heritage property,
Yes,
right?
yes. It's over 100 years old. It was built in 1904 when the the patriarch of the family, Sheikh Mangaldas and Sheikh Girdas, they built this house. And all the family members live together here. I mean, that time it was a joint family system, so it was one big happy family in this house. Everyone lived here together. This house has been a host to Gandhiji when he moved here from South Africa. Before he built the Sabarmati Ashram, he used to live with Mangaldas Sheth here. And in fact, after the Sabarmati Ashram was built, Mangaldas Sheth just encouraged him that, you go ahead, build the ashram, I'll take care of all the expenses of the ashram. And it's written in the ashram itself. I mean, there's a whole write-up of all the expenses that, that Gandhi used to send to Mangaldas Sheth. He's like, I'll take care of it.
Wow.
So
Lisa, I wanted to cover that, but I think right now it's in redevelopment.
it is. Yes, it
so.
is. So so it's been a host to a lot of important dignitaries also at the time. So in late 80s and early 90s, when Abhay thought of, why don't we just buy it off from the family members and let's convert this place into its original glory, what it was. And I mean, it was a very brave idea, because at the time people thought, oh, who's going to come across town, Abhay, and eat Gujarati food that we eat at home anyways.
But पहले जब plan हुआ था तो it was only planned as a restaurant.
It was planned as a whole thing, but it didn't take off because the people who were renting, they didn't want to leave. Because they had such a nice plum place with old Purane Zamane ke leases and rents that, they never, half of them didn't want to leave the place. So the whole house was not accessible to us.
Right.
In fact, the first thing that he got was a terrace, which I'll show you once we go
I
out.
saw when I went to
It's
the
a rooftop, yeah. So the old homes did not have attached bathrooms. There were just a few common bathrooms outside the home, because that was the tradition. So converting this house into a modern hotel with modern amenities with attached bathrooms, while keeping the whole heritage intact, was a big task.
It must be a lot of structural issues. And
But I think, I mean, it's a daily.
a lot of people talk about this, old homes versus new homes. Even in like a city like Bombay, I live in a very old home, and we're right on the sea. But the charm of that old home, along with its little issues that come, compared to the new homes, it's very different, because the new places have the amenities, the modernity, but I think it's also a lot to do with your personal preference. And अगर कोई आपके कोई connection है, वो traditional connection, वो past के साथ, you want to keep that legacy going, then I think थोड़ी सी मेहनत करना ज़रूरी होता है to
maintain it,
and
to maintain it, because then otherwise how is it different?
How
from
is
any
it
other,
different?
From any other place?
Exactly.
So when they were all living here together, the busiest room in this house was the labor and delivery room.
The labor
It was always
labor and delivery.
Yeah, which is now the spa. I can quickly show you that if you have the time later on.
Oh my god.
And apparently that was, from what I have heard from my in-laws and everyone, it was so dolly around. Like, mother's daughters giving, and that was probably the only room with an attached bathroom. It had a separate entrance for the doctor to come in, and that was like the busiest room.
So sweet. तो एक कमरा यहाँ पे literally for delivery. That's quite sweet. Yeah.
Because like there was so many, everyone was living here together.
How do you compare the new Ahmedabad food to the traditional Ahmedabad food?
So see, I think everything has its own place.
Right.
Threatened, definitely not, because it's a completely different segment.
Right.
And in fact, it's good. It's good that these things are coming. People have the options to choose from. And what we do here is not in the same category. So I don't see any competition that way. And I think what's happening in Ahmedabad is good. It's growing, and it's a part of any city that grows. This is obviously going to come in, but I'm glad that people have something like this as an option to come to, because as the city grows and as the culture grows, you somehow tend to go away from your roots.
Yes.
Maybe not intentionally, but it's always good to have something like this that keeps you rooted to what Ahmedabad was,
what it actually stands for.
What it stands for.
Yeah.
Like, this is what old homes were. In fact, so everything on the menu that you see is all the recipes from our house.
Oh, really?
The Mangada, so this is what used to be served. This is what people used to eat.
So I think we have everything here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
पालक और कॉर्न का सब्जी है
जी।
ये रसा वाला चना है, ये जोधपुरी आलू है,
अच्छा वाह।
ये दाल कढ़ी है,
हाँ
ये गुजराती दाल है,
जी।
ये मावा का बर्फी है, ये पूरी है, टिंडोरा का सब्जी है, ये मिक्स भाजी का मुठिया, पालक और मेथी मिक्स भजिया, आलू है, प्याज है वगैरह मिक्स, और ये अरबी के पत्ते में बनता
हाँ।
है, बेसन लगा के स्टीम करते हैं,
हाँ,
पात्रा है,
पात्रा, हाँ।
ये रोटी है, पराठे
खूब सारे बटर के साथ। हाँ, ये बटर भी यहाँ का है, ये आप लोग यहाँ बनाते हैं। अरे वाह।
और डेट का अचार है, एक
खजूर का अचार।
खजूर का चटनी है, खजूर और इमली का, पुदीना पत्तल का चटनी है, मिक्स सब्जी का अचार है, टिंडोरा, मटर, कैरेट, पपैया मिक्स,
और ये मूंग दाल हलवा,
मोहन थाल है,
मोहन दाल, हाँ।
बासुंदी है, पिस्ता बासुंदी,
और ये
पापड़ी चाट है।
तो स्टार्ट किससे करें?
स्टार्ट करना है आपको, स्टार्टर से स्टार्ट
फर्स्ट,
करना है।
हाँ, स्टार्टर से स्टार्ट
चटनी
करना
के साथ
है।
पे।
दैट्स द रीजन इट्स कॉल्ड द स्टार्टर। मेरे तो पेट में चूहे कूद रहे हैं। मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं किया।
अच्छा, you didn't?
Yeah, I didn't.
Okay.
Obviously, I was coming to Akashe. Okay.
तो आप मुठिया के साथ ले सकते हैं।
ठीक है, चलिए
गार्लिक चटनी है।
चलिए अब तो मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ
पराठे के
खाना।
साथ गार्लिक चटनी और व्हाइट बटर लगाना है।
ओके, ठीक है।
Yeah, it
थैंक यू
tastes
फॉर द
really good.
इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड नाउ आई कैन डिग इन।
And the salad. Oh, and the salad.
ओके, स्टार्टिंग विद द मुठिया।
और एवरी डे मेनू चेंज रहता है।
एवरी डे
Yeah. Every day. So,
डिपेंड्स ऑन क्या अवेलेबल है,
क्या
जो फ्रेश
है, हाँ।
बहुत ही टेस्टी है। यम्मी। सडनली देखा, इतनी बातें करते करते सडनली
एकदम।
स्पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस, बिकॉज़ आई एम लाइक नाउ इट्स द मोमेंट टू ईट।
In Gujarati homes, there's still similar food made, and people will be like, you know, why go to the other side of town to have the same food? But it just took off because, you know, at the end of the day, when you serve good food, when you give good quality, people do end up.
Yeah, and I think
That's what
घर
we
में
noticed.
सब कुछ बनाना difficult हो जाता है. So when you want that nice treat,
Yeah, it's a nice treat कि
Yeah.
चलो सारा थाली खावा चाहिए. That is the whole idea.
राइस के साथ साथ
नहीं राइस नहीं. खिचड़ी अभी तक मैं खिचड़ी नहीं खाई थी because usually afternoon में खिचड़ी सर्व ही नहीं करते हैं हर थाली में. It's at night.
कड़ी
हाँ जी प्लीज. गरम कड़ी. नहीं बस थैंक यू.
थोड़ा सा दीजिए।
दिस इज माय फेवरेट पार्ट. मुझे गुजराती खिचड़ी, घी और गुजराती कड़ी का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. It really feels like वो घर की खिचड़ी का स्वाद है. And the ghee is also so delicious. क्या है चाय? ओह अरे वाह. लौंग और पुदीने का पानी डाइजेशन के लिए अच्छा होता है.
Now these are all family sarees,
Oh.
okay, family textiles, and some of it is collected by the ladies of the family, and some of them, and then there's pictures next to it on how it was worn.
हाँ. The brocade weaving. Oh wow.
Just look at the quality of band, rai band. It is called rai का जो mustard seed होता है वो डाल के needle
I'm sure you
point
can't
के-
touch it, right?
Yummy, touch it, yeah.
ये मस्टर्ड सीड्स है.
हाँ ये तो इससे भी छोटा है. उसको
से
राई
छोटा।
राई दाना बांध
हाँ,
बोलते
उससे भी
हैं.
छोटा है. मस्टर्ड सीड से भी छोटे दाने का की तरह.
इतना
उतना
इतना
छोटा, हाँ,
fine
इतना
band.
fine
This is all done in Kutch. These are called abhas. Abhas were पहले कच्छ में
तो
पहनते थे.
बांधनी का बड़ा कंफ्यूजन है. इज इट फ्रॉम राजस्थान और इज इट फ्रॉम गुजरात?
बांधनी तो कच्छ में होता है. From what I know, I don't know राजस्थान में भी होता है.
वो बांधनी साड़ी वहाँ
It's-
काफी होते हैं ना.
नहीं, it's Gujarat.
इट्स गुजरात.
Yeah, and these are all embroideries, different kinds of embroideries. Again, there is mochi, and there is ahir, and there is rabari, and different kinds of. If you look around, so this whole section is all embroidered textiles. These are called chaklas. Chaklas are put on the wall.
चलो थैंक यू
Lovely
सो
meeting
मच.
you.
And thank you so
See you
much for your
soon.
warm hospitality and all the lovely conversation. And the food was just amazing. मुझे अगर शूट पे नहीं जाना होता तो मैं literally दबा के खाती, एक रूम खुलवाती और सो जाती.
Next time,
Next
plan
time,
to do
we'll
that.
plan that.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
पूरा दिन लगेगा यहाँ
हाँ पूरा दिन लगेगा एग्जैक्टली. सडनली मुझे गुरुद्वारा दिख गया और एक सिकनी को गुरुद्वारा दिख जाए और वो मत्था ना टेके, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. सो तो मेरे घर के काफी बगल में गुरुद्वारा साहिब है. तो पहले तो मुझे एज एंड व्हेन टाइम मिलता था मैं जाती थी, लेकिन अब वहाँ के भाई जी सबको ना व्हाट्सएप कर देते हैं प्रोग्राम. तो कभी संक्रांत हो गया, स्पेशल डे हो जाता है, कभी गुरुपुरब हो गया, और हर संडे को वहाँ लंगर लगता है. तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ लंगर के लिए अगर पहुँचूँ या ना पहुँचूँ, सुबह 1 घंटा कीर्तन अटेंड कर लेती हूँ एंड उससे मुझे बहुत शांति मिलती है. इसलिए यहाँ जब मैंने गुरुद्वारा साहब देखा तो मैंने कहा चलो बाबा जी ने पुकारा है, इधर भी मत्था टेक लेते हैं. It felt so good. So now I'm finally at this popular place. A lot of you recommended that, under the neem tree, and I'm here with a darling friend of mine with whom I studied in Sana, my boarding school in Himachal. That is Panna. We can sit outside also. This is the outdoor place. I must say it's very beautiful. There's a pianist here. There is indoor, outdoors. What a nice place. Yeah, so I'm here with my friends, and that's why there's no mic, there is no professional shooting happening because my team is not here. But just had to give you a glimpse of under the neem trees. I'll let you know how the food is.
ये है काठियावाड़ी पान
Okay.
और ये है नातनो चमन, मतलब गुजराती फूड है ये.
Gujarati.
और ये काठियावाड़ी हल्का सा स्पाइसी है. ठीक है.
हाँ ठीक है.
ये मिंट की चटनी है, दही की चटनी है,
अच्छा.
मिर्ची वड़ा है, कॉर्न और पनीर की स्टफिंग के अंदर.
और इसमें इतना ही खा सकते हैं, अगर कुछ और चाहिए तो अलाउड नहीं.
एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाएगा.
एक्स्ट्रा मिल जाएगा.
जी.
अच्छा ठीक है.
मेथी कोटा है, मिर्ची वड़ा है, सरगवा सिंह ड्रमस्टिक की सब्जी है, लहसुन बटा की सब्जी है और केसरी जलेबी है. और ये है नागपुर चमन, इसमें सीताफल बासमती इस तरह रसगुल्ला है, टिंडा और परवल की मिक्स सब्जी है, मसाला बटाका की सब्जी है, बेबड़ी ढोकला है विद कोथमीर चटनी,
अच्छा.
पालक पूरी और प्लेन पूरी.
Well, Amrita, you've been very brave to have brought us here and we are sampling all this lovely Gujarati
3 साल से तुम लोग हो ना यहाँ.
which I have not sampled in the last 3 years. हाँ, थोड़ा.
Now there are these. Look at this whole tray that comes of homemade chutneys and achars, which is quite sweet. All pickles. Sure. Good.
So this is the khana and welcome to Ahmedabad.
मैम की तरफ, मैम को पसंद आ गई इनको. चलो. Look here, Simmer, smile. And that's me. सर ना आज मेरी टीम नहीं है तो हमारी जो भी रिकॉर्डिंग हम कर रहे हैं हम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, अब हम खा रहे हैं सब मिलके. एंड नाउ बाय. खाने दो हमको. Okay, so what's the review? Simmer, how did you like the place? So now let me tell you a little bit about Simmer and Panna. They are Sardars just like me. So they are not heavily into Gujarati food.
And certainly not into vegetarian Gujarati.
But what is non-vegetarian Gujarati food?
Actually,
There is nothing.
There is nothing.
Exactly. So I have actually brought them here, so
Yes,
to speak.
yes.
Because of me, they have come here. So how did you like it?
So no, I think this is the first time I've been to this part of this restaurant. Decent. I would rate. Wasn't bad.
yeah.
I'm not a great fan of Gujarati food. And I elaborate a bit.
So since I've had more experience with the Gujarati food and Simmer, So you know, it was quite nice. I would rate it quite nice. The meetha was very nice, and we often come to the other restaurant at this place, which is
Kathiawadi.
also very good. Yeah, we preferred the Kathiawadi over the Gujarati thali.
Yeah. Okay. Both are Gujarati only. One is
Haan, but
the spicy one, and yeah, and one
but
is
but by
the nani tea.
we had dhaba se Kathiawadi dhaba se Gujarati.
Yes, yes.
They sell it very differently.
Yeah, but it's like chole bhature and Punjabi food, na? It's like Punjabi khana and chole bhature only in Amritsar.
Haan.
It's a separate section of this, but
Good analogy.
Chole
True to your Sardar roots.
Sardar road. So chole bhature has
Okay,
to come
thank
in.
you. I'm gonna save my review for never.